So, man, all that virtual control panel mess has my head hurting. So, ease the pain. We're gonna go. Kate and I are gonna go to Bella Cult, and we're gonna watch a comedy show called Earthquake Hurricane, which is a regular thing in Portland on Wednesdays. So, if you're in Portland on Wednesdays ever, check it out. It's pretty fun. I'll try to get some footage while I'm there. Check it later.
Yeah, you guys excited to just have this fucking thing be over with in like 9 days, right? Like
over if there isn't some recount. Oh, that was a lot of fun. You guys
First off, I want to say thanks for sticking with me. I know the last 2 videos have been extremely boring, especially if you don't know anything about Linux CNC. Just wanted to say today's not going to be as boring, hopefully. No more tutorial videos today. I'm going to try to do something fun. My brain hurts, so it needs it. And we're starting off with some Spielman noodles, so already to a good start. I don't know what the rest of the day holds, but stick with me. I'm going to find something fun to do. Later. Just a little fun fact. Kate's known around town as the parallel parking queen, or the parallel parking diva. I just thought you should know that. She's pretty excellent at it. That's why she's driving right now too, because I suck at it. Oh my gosh, it's so nice in Portland today. Park for a bit. Check it out. Maybe watch the dogs play. You have to be careful in this neighborhood. This is quicksand right here. One baby's already died. Well, the dog park's looking pretty empty. Gotta find something else to do. This garage is in jail. I think this might be my favorite garage. You get a 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 garage. And you get a garage. So, I don't know if you heard, but there's a pretty major explosion in Portland. I think it's been a week ago. And it was actually right down from my house. And so that morning, Kate and I, it was the day we were headed out to Seattle. The top floor of our house like completely shook. It like felt like it was coming disconnected, and we thought like a tree fell in the house at first.
and it was pretty scary. And then we later realized that it was like just down the road, and the bagel shop, not Spielman, but the it was called Portland Bagel Company, had a gas leak, and I didn't film any because I don't know, it's a pretty sensitive thing. I would hate to film something and someone die. I don't know. I'm a little sensitive to that sort of thing. But it seems like everyone was pretty well aware of the gas leak, so they were able to get everyone out of there, which is awesome. Super excited that no one got hurt. I was pretty worried there at first. It looked pretty bad and it smelled pretty bad when we walked down there for the first time. So I just went down there a second ago and captured some footage that I'll show here, and yeah, it looks pretty bad, but pretty awesome job for the gas people of Portland to, I guess, I think it was their fault originally, breaking the gas line, but good for them to like get everyone out of there, and I'm glad everyone's safe. So check out the footage. Be careful around gas lines, I guess. Episode 22 is done. Oh no, this is 23. Jeez. So I took a shower, had to get out of the garage. It's too nice out there. Yeah, when I was clearing my mind, I came up with an idea. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. I haven't completely figured it out. But we're going to go to Goodwill and see if we can find a remote control car. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. We'll see if this works out. So, slight change of plans. Just ran out of jojoba oil and my face is addicted to it, so I'm gonna go by Trader Joe's and pick up a new container of it. So then we're gonna go to Goodwill. Check you later. Next step is to find a hidden location and apply directly to the forehead. I wish the camera could smell, because it smells very much like weed right here. So Goodwill was kind of a bust. I didn't find any remote control cars. I'm gonna go to Walgreens and see what I can find. So Walgreens was also a bust, so I'm going to scrap. Spew everywhere on us. Get the good action shot.
If the can is empty, will it just like crush it?
No, it just locks.
I see, yeah.
And I just hit this little button.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it's like a little seam sealer. Yeah. Cool.
Pretty cool. And then that'll last as good as long as the beer lasts.
Cool.
Yeah.